Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonam. If you're new to this channel, welcome. This video is gonna be a little bit different from what I normally post. I have decided to pair my denim short jeans with some of my new tops that I have in my wardrobe. So this denim jeans is from Levi's and I did not buy it from their website because they are freaking expensive. I got it from a thrift store and I just cut them short or shorter than it was already, and it's perfect for summer. Everyone should have a denim short in their wardrobe. So this first top is really simple and cute. It's got these 3 cute little buttons in the middle. What's better than to pair a short denim with a white top? And look at the fitting, it's perfect for me, and it's crop top and it's got these cute little shoulder pads. I don't know what you call it. Yes, I'm dancing, and yeah, this is perfect for summer, and it's simple, cute, and really easy to go out with, I guess. Yeah, so let's move on to the next one. So this second top is in this really different color, and as you can tell, this is a little bit looser on me, so it looks a little bit more casual than the one that I just wore. And it's got these huge buttons in the middle, which makes it look way more cuter than without a button. And I fell in love with this top at first sight. This bag is also brand new. As you can tell, the tag is still there. I'm absolutely in love with this bag because it's so different. It's really perfect for summer, for beach, for farmers market, or just anything, maybe just casually too. And yeah, let's move on to the next top. So this next top is a floral type of top. This top is a wrap top, so you gotta wrap it from the inner and then the outer, and it's really cute, and it just like brightens your whole look. And the color is perfect for summer. It's not too bright and it's not too dull. It's just the perfect summer look, I would say. And I don't know why I'm dancing like that. Yeah, I'm crazy. And then I paired it with this cute little leather bag that I got from India. I got it from Manali for like 500 rupees, which is like super cheap, and this bag is one of my favorite bags. So this third top, again, it's brand new. Obviously, I told you guys that most of the tops here are brand new except for the first top that I wore, which I wore like just few days ago. And this next top is just a really nice crop top that I got from Forever 21 for like $14, and the color is the one that just caught my eye, and yellow is so in for this summer, and I just love yellow right now. This look is kind of like a more casual look, so you can pair it with a backpack or just like any casual bag, and just, you know, it's not too overdone and it's not too underdone. So yeah, underdone, is that a word? I don't know. Yeah, so let's move on to the next one. The next one is a little open, and I'm not used to wearing a lot of open tops or whatever, but it's perfect for summer. The color is just gorgeous, and yeah, it fits me perfectly. It shows my figure, and I could have worn a different bra, but too lazy, girl. So this next top is the same one. I bought both of them from Forever 21 for like $9 each, and this color is also bright and beautiful for summer, and I thought, why not get two of them? How does it look, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. I don't really know if I'm going to wear this, but I will try. So this next one is really cute and simple. Just look at the color. It's like so pretty. This one is also kind of like a wrap top, and it ends on the waist, so it's perfect. I gotta put my tag inside in case I need to return it, but I know I'm not gonna return it. Look at these cute little knot that I made. Look at this top. It's just so cute. It looks perfect with this denim short, and this time I decided to use my fanny pack that I got from Bangkok, which I absolutely love, and I carry it every time I travel because it's so convenient. So this look is perfect with this fanny pack. So this next one, I'm not completely sure if I'm going to keep this top, but it kind of makes me look fat or a little bit more on the chubby side because it's kind of loose under the breast, and yeah, I'm not completely sure if I'm going to keep it, or maybe I need to pair it with something else. So yeah, let's move on to the last one. The last one is very summery. It's really nice. I just love the feel that I get from this fabric. This fabric is perfect for my skin, and I love the color. It's just summery. I could just put it on and just go out for a walk too. So yeah, guys, that was it for my denim short pairing, I guess. I hope you guys liked this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments down below what else you would like to see more of, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys, love you.